Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Candy Chemistry Kit is probably one of the most exciting ways to dive into the sweet science of treats. This kit offers a hands-on experience, allowing you to explore the fascinating world of food science by creating your own delicious candies. From gummy bears to lollipops, you'll learn about chemical reactions, the science of taste, and the art of candy making, all while having a blast. Number 5. Playz Candy Making Science Kit for Kids. Discover the Playz Candy Making Science Kit. It's the perfect way to make learning fun and tasty. This kit lets them create their own chocolates and candies. This kit inspires kids to learn with delicious results. They can make jelly candies, rock candy, and more. It's like an easy bake oven, but for science. The colorful lab guide is full of pictures and information. It's designed to be easy for kids ages 8 to 12 to understand. They will love the hands-on experience. This kit combines STEM concepts to boost learning. It's a great gift for kids who love science. They'll create amazing snacks while learning. With over 40 experiments and 21 tools, this kit offers great value. It's a real science lab experience. Some household supplies may be needed. Trust Playz for quality educational kits. If you're not happy, contact us for a refund. They are committed to your satisfaction. What we like. This kit offers over 40 experiments, providing a wide range of candy-making fun. The included guide makes it easy for kids to follow along. If you're looking for a comprehensive and educational experience, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who want a variety of projects and a deep dive into the science of sweets. What people say. Gives tons of options for different types of candy. Easy to follow and fun for kids. Instructions were easy to follow, cleanup was a breeze. Super easy to do and great turnout. Number 4. Playz Edible Slime Candy Making Science Kit. Introducing the Playz Edible Slime Candy Making Kit. It's the best candy making kit for kids. They can make slippery slugs, slimy eyeballs, and more gooey treats. The colorful lab guide is full of pictures and information. It's designed to be easy to understand, making it one of the best science toys for kids ages 8 to 12. This kit combines STEM concepts to unleash learning potential. It's a great Christmas or birthday gift for kids and teens who love chemistry and delicious snacks. With over 25 experiments, a detailed guide, and many tools and ingredients, this kit offers amazing science projects. It's the ideal first science kit with a real lab feel. Playz offers quality educational science kits. If you're not happy with it, contact them for a refund. They stand behind their products. What we like. This kit lets you create delicious, slimy treats that are both fun and educational. With over 25 experiments, it offers a unique and engaging experience. If you like the idea of making and eating slime, this is the perfect kit for you. It's a great way to explore the science of textures and reactions. What people say. The kit includes all the ingredients and equipment needed to perform the experiments. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. The experiments are fun and educational. Number 3. Gross Gummy Candy Lab, Worms and Spiders STEM Kit. Want to make your own gross and delicious gummies? This kit lets you create gummy worms and spiders. It's a fun and tasty science experiment. You can make gummies in all sorts of gross shapes. This kit allows you to create fun treats that look like worms and spiders. It's a unique and exciting experience. The gummies are made with a plant-based ingredient called carrageenan, which comes from seaweed. This is a great alternative to traditional gelatin. It's a fun way to explore plant-based science. Investigate the scientific properties of natural polymers while you cook. This kit provides a hands-on learning experience. You'll learn while you create delicious treats. The kit includes mixed berry and green apple flavors, plus citric acid for sour gummies. The flavors are delicious and the experience is fun. You can enjoy the fruits of your labor. A 16-page, full-color manual guides the experiments and provides scientific information. It's easy to follow and packed with knowledge. The manual makes the experiment easy and fun. Please note that some ingredients are processed in facilities that also process common allergens. Be sure to check the label if you have any allergies. It's important to be aware of the ingredients. What we like. This kit lets you create gummies in gross shapes using plant-based ingredients. It's a fun way to learn about chemistry. If you are looking for a unique and educational experience with a focus on natural ingredients, this is the perfect choice. It's great for those who enjoy a bit of the unusual. What people say. The kit comes with all the ingredients and equipment you need to perform the experiments. The instructions are easy to follow and the experiments are fun to do. It's a great way to learn about food science and chemistry. Number 2. Thames and Kosmos Candy Chemistry Science Kit. This kit lets you make delicious treats while learning about chemistry. It's a fun way to understand scientific concepts through cooking. Make rock candy, chocolates, gummy bears, and wintergreen candies. You can personalize the candy by choosing your ingredients. Discover specific heat, temperature, crystallization, and more. The kit helps you understand measurements, conversions, volume, and weight. Choose your own ingredients and decorate your finished candy. Use colorful foils, paper cups, and wrappers to make them look amazing. The kit comes with a 48-page full-color manual. It guides you through each experiment, making learning easy and enjoyable. What we like. This kit allows you to make rock candy, chocolates, gummy bears, and more. It teaches you about specific heat, crystallization, and other scientific concepts. If you like to have a broad range of options and learn about the science behind candy making, you should consider this. It's perfect for those who want to explore different types of treats. What people say. She loved it and her 13-year-old cousin even got in on it and asked for her own. She loves making food and giving it to her siblings. Explains chemically what is happening with the molecules during the experiment as well. Number 1. Awesome Kitchen Science Experiments for Kids. Are you ready to explore the wonders of science in your kitchen? This book is packed with 50 exciting STEAM projects. It's a fun way to learn and create edible experiments. This book offers 50 different projects. Each one is designed to be both educational and delicious. It's a fantastic way to combine learning and fun. This book is part of the Awesome STEAM Activities for Kids series. It encourages children to explore science, technology, engineering, art, and math. It makes learning engaging and enjoyable. The experiments are designed to be safe and easy to follow. It uses ingredients you likely already have. It's a great way to spark curiosity and creativity. It's a perfect resource for parents and educators. It provides a hands-on learning experience. It helps children understand scientific concepts in a tasty way. What we like. This kit offers 50 STEAM projects that you can eat. It provides a hands-on learning experience. If you are looking for a wide variety of edible experiments and a focus on STEAM education, you should consider this. It's perfect for those who want to combine fun and learning in the kitchen. What people say. Super fun activities to share with your kids that explains the science and stokes their curiosity. Each experiment clearly explains the supplies you need, step-by-step instructions, questions to ask your child about the experiment, and an explanation of how, what, why. My kiddo loves science and these experiments are easy and edible too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.